Hello, my name is Terence Payne, and I am hoping to present on this channel knowledge and information relevant to individuals who may be doing an electrical apprenticeship or training to be an electrician. And for those individuals who may also wish to take the opportunity to consider becoming electricians. The documentations which you will require during an electrical course is one which every electrician will need to be familiar with. Now, here is the on-site guide, something you will need to be familiar with, and it looks at or simplifies the regulations in regards to the IET. That's the Institute for Electrical Technology, previously the IEE regulations. What I'm hoping to do is look at units 301 to 309, unit 311 to 318. These are the units which is required to be met in regards to becoming a qualified electrician. And what I want to do is to show you how to complete and to present those units in a manner which allows you to pass those units, which will enable you to become qualified. Thank you.